It's the news are live on TWH Trends, sponsored by TBP Professional Institute. I'm Obidumbie Ama-Achure. Coming up today, government will account for Sapeiman gold raid in due time. Agalga. Environmental health officers demand urgent action over cholera deaths. Now, the news in detail. The chairman of the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament, James Agalga, has addressed concerns raised by the minority regarding the lack of updates on the Sapeiman gold and cash raid nearly 2 months after the high-profile operation. The minority had earlier demanded accountability over the seizure of 12 containers of gold and cash at Sapeiman, Accra. They also called for transparency on a separate case involving a suspected cocaine and cash shipment linked to 2 suspicious flights that landed at Kotoka International Airport in March 2025. Speaking on Eyewitness News on Tuesday, April 1, Agalga, who also serves as the Member of Parliament for Bosa North, noted that the committee had previously invited the Minister for Defense and Interior to provide updates on similar security-related matters. However, he pointed out that the minority had not used that opportunity to formally request a briefing on the Sapeiman case. He further explained that while calls for transparency are valid, certain details of the investigation cannot be disclosed prematurely, as doing so could jeopardize ongoing inquiries and security operations. In other news, the unposted Environmental Health Officers and Assistants Association of Ghana has called for action following the devastating cholera outbreak that has ravaged the nation since October 24, 2024. The association expressed deep sorrow over the lives lost and extended heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. In an April 2 statement, the association lamented the severe impact of the cholera outbreak, which it said has caused immense suffering, and underscored long-standing concerns about the neglect of Ghana's environmental health sector. For more than 4 years, trained environmental health professionals from 3 leading hygiene schools have remained unemployed. The association highlighted that the backlog of graduates from 2021, 2022, 2023, and 24 has worsened Ghana's sanitation crisis, leaving communities vulnerable to preventable diseases. The association criticized the government for failing to integrate these trained professionals into the workforce. It called for immediate action to deploy environmental health officers and assistants, stating that their presence could have significantly reduced the spread of the current cholera outbreak. To end the news, a recap of the headline. Government will account for Sapeiman gold raid in due time, Agalga. Environmental health officers demand urgent action over cholera deaths. The news was sponsored by TBP Professional Institute. I'm Obidumbie Ama-Achure. Stay tuned for more news updates.